What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond from Operation Work From Home, where I am showing everyday folks how they can make money with their cell phone or anywhere where they can get an internet connection. And in today's video, we are talking about Shipt. If you are a Shipt driver, would you like to know how to make some additional money along with the driving? Okay, so we already know that if you are a Shipt driver, that you're gonna have to drive to the locations to deliver the orders. Okay, so if you're looking to make some extra money, there is an app called Get Upside, and I will have the link down below. And inside this app, you just deliver. You're going to be delivering anyway. So what you want to do is you want to find a gas station, and then you're going to get paid every time you visit one of these gas stations. So you're going to pick, I'm just going to pick one gas station, so Marathon. It says, okay, you visit this gas station, and they're going to pay you 13 cents for the gallon, up to 50 gallons. Go on more info, you go on there, you're going to go here, and then what you're going to do, you're going to claim the offer, like I did just below, and then you're just going to go to that gas station within the 4-hour time window, and then you're going to upload your receipt to the app. Okay, you're going to have to drive around to these locations anyway, so why not take advantage of the extra savings that you can get? So why not save some money and make some money for making additional money for making that delivery? So you're going to take that receipt, you're going to upload that receipt, and then you're going to get extra money. Going back into the app, you see these are all the gas stations in Indianapolis that that partnered through with the app. And as you continue to pump gas and continue to upload your receipts, your balance will go up. As you can see, I made $38 just for pumping gas. And no matter what, we're still gonna have to pump gas regardless of what we do. And they also have a couple grocery stores in here. Not groceries, but looks like they have Boston Market here. So it also give you 10% just by going to Boston Market. But anyway, I wanted to share this app and my link down below. On the top of the additional savings that you get, so on one that we did earlier, it was like 15 cents or whatever per gallon. By signing up through my link, you will get an additional 15 cents. So in that